Jai Srimanarayana. 11th sloka of 14th chapter of Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Please repeat. Sarvadvareshu Dehesmin Prakasha Upajayate Jnanam yada tada vidyat vivruddham sattvamityuta. Om. Make sure Sattvika Gunam is always predominant in you, so it leads you to upwards and it helps you to increase your Jnanam, purity, peace and harmony. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita, Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending you to surrender to Him alone. Krishna Paramatma says, surrender to me unconditionally. Do not cry. Mamekam saranam vraja ma suchaha. Now you respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma within your bhavana, following these lines. Ho Krishna, Ho Srimanarayana, I shall keep on trying to see Sattvika Gunam is predominant in me, which helps me move upwards, which helps me increase my Jnanam, purity, peace and harmony. Ho Krishna, Ho Srimanarayana, I shall surrender to you unconditionally. I shall not cry anymore. Srimanarayana, Karishye Vachanam Tava, I shall obey your orders. Please help me act according to your word. Sarvam Sri Krishna Arpanamastu. Jai Srimanarayana. Now let us learn Srimad Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. Nigamakalpatarorgalitam phalam sukamukhadamrutadrava sanyutam pibata bhagavatam rasamalayam muhuraho rasika bhuvi bhavukaha. Namaskaram to Sri Sukha Yogindra. Yam pravrajantamanupeta krutyam dvaipayano virahakatara ajuhava putreti tanmayataya taravobhineduhu tam sarvabhuta hrudayam munimanatosmi. Namaskaram to Naranarayana, Chaturmukha Brahma, Saraswati Devi, Vyasa Maharshi. Narayanam namaskritya naram chaiva narottamam devim saraswatim vyasam tato jayam udirayet. In Srimad Bhagavatam, 8th Skandham, Suta Mahamuni giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Sri Sukha Yogindra teaching Parikshin Narendra the Srimad Bhagavatam and saying that, O Parikshin Narendra, Swayambhuva Manuvu praying Paramatma like this. Atmavasyamidam visvam yatkinchit jagatyam jagat tena tyaktena bhunjidha ma grudha kasya svidhanam. Hey Bhagavan, you are the one who is pervaded all over. In every entity you are there. That is why there is no such thing in this universe which is not Brahmatmakam. That means there is no such thing, anything in which you are not existing. Bhagavan, You are taking care of this entire universe. That is why all these bodies, all the things which are related to bodies, everything is yours. There is nothing belongs to us. That is why we should not be thinking that anything is our belonging. And there is no anything that I can say it is mine. Bhagavan, humans, whatever it is allotted to them, only they have to be taking that and experiencing that. They should never seek others' property. They should never be greedy. They should never think that anything belongs to them. Bhagavan, yam pasyati na pasyantam chakshuriyasya narishyati tam bhuta nilayam devam suparnamupadhavata. Your jnanam never goes down, whereas souls, jivas, atmas jnanam goes down because of karma. You are, Bhagavan, you are able to see everything, whereas jiva, soul, is unable to realize you. You are there along with soul in every body. You are the root cause for this entire Srishti. There is no beginning, middle, end to you. You have no partiality, and you are pervaded internally and externally. You are the beginning of this entire universe. Like that Swayambhuva Manuvu praying Paramatma. What happens next we will learn tomorrow. Om Shri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmadgurubhyo Namaha. Mukundamala. Krishna Rakshatu no Jagatraya Guruhu. Krishnam Namasyamyaham. Krishne Namarashatravo Vinihataha. Krishnaya Tasmai Namaha. Krishnadeva Samuthitam Jagadidam. Krishnasya Dasosmyaham. Krishne Tishtati Visvametadakhilam. He Krishna Samrakshamam. Srimad Bhagavad Gita, 14th chapter, 11th sloka. Sarvadvareshu dehesmin prakasa upajayate jnanam yada tada vidyat vivruddham sattvamityuta. Sarvadvareshu dehesmin prakasa upajayate jnanam yada tada vidyat vivruddham sattvamityuta. Srimannarayana karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana.